Good day, everybody. I hope all is well. I'm out here in the van again. I've got the cabinet taken down from the driver's side. I cut it off a little bit right there, just, that way it's the right length for the other side, because that's where the doorway ends on that side of the van. I may cap it there and have a little extra space. I may not. The first time I hit my head on it, it's getting cut off. But anyway, my cabinet from here is laying in the floor. It started pouring. And when I say it started pouring, I mean this rain has set in. And 15 gallons of water came off the end of the roof right into the back doors. Anyway, if I had laid around and not done anything, it'd have been a pretty day. But that's just how it goes. I'm still going to continue working on this. I've got the back doors closed. I've got 18 towels soaking up all this water. We'll see how this works. But this cabinet's going on the other side. And I'll be back shortly with more progress. Until next time, happy trails.